back here on the show. Kasama po natin si Bianca Umali. You are, by far, I mean, I've done interviews dito sa GMA7, the most stylish young actress I have met.
Tito Boy. Oh,
and one of the prettiest.
salamat po.
Totoo yun, coming from my heart.
Maraming salamat
If I were
po.
to judge a beauty contest today, you have the crown.
Salamat po, Tito Boy. Thank you.
Tingin ako ng tingin sa camera. Saan andyan si Ruru nanonood eh.
Salamat po.
Kaya Ruru, alagaan mo si Bianca. Ha? Okay?
Pakinggan niyo po si Tito Boy.
Hindi marami ang nakakaalam that you were orphaned, you lost mom at 5, dad at 10.
Yes, Tito.
Bianca, I know you're a very strong young girl. Pero may mga panahon ba na sa buhay mo na namimiss mo ng sobra sila?
Of course.
Kailan yon yung mga panahon na yon?
Ngayon po na tumatanda ako, I guess. It's kind of, it's an amazing story to share actually, Tito Boy. So, I lost my mom when I was 5 because of breast cancer. And then I lost my dad when I was 10 because of heart attack. Nung bata po kasi ako, wala pa naman po ako naiintindihan eh. So, I did not know the gravity nung sitwasyon na kung nasaan ako na I was losing both my parents. Kapag umiiyak yung ibang tao, iiyak ako. Pag masaya ibang tao, masaya ako. Ngayon na tumatanda ako, habang lumilinaw yung pag-iisip ko at nakikita ko yung realidad ng mundo, every year that I get old, mas nagiging raw or fresh sa akin na wala akong mommy and daddy. Kasi siguro, Tito Boy, nakukuha ko or nagagawa ko yung mga bagay na dapat tinuturo sa akin or dapat may kasama ako na gawin, but I don't have them beside me.
So may mga panahon na sana nandito si mom, sana nandito si dad?
Every day.
Every day?
Every day.
Oo. And this is not to discredit the way you were raised by Lola.
Yes,
Because
of course.
mahal na mahal mo ang iyong Lola.
Sobra po, sobra. I actually say this a million times na talagang yung buong buhay ko, yung buong ako, Tito Boy, I owe it to my Lola.
Oo. Dahil sa karanasan kay mom at dad, natatakot ka sa death?
No.
Talaga?
I don't
What is
think
your
so.
attitude towards death?
I used to be afraid of death, but now thinking of it, that you asked me, I think it's not scary for me to die kasi makikita ko sila ulit. I know that they will be with me, holding my hand when I go through it.
You're doing very well. You're very successful now. You are at the threshold of something that's really big. The Right One, co-production between GMA and View. Kung meron kang i-report, ibabalita sa mom at dad, they're just there, watching over us. Ako naniniwala kasi ako, Bianca, na hindi talaga tayo iniiwan nila. They are with us.
Oh yes, Tito.
Sa buong buhay natin. Anong nais mong sabihin sa mom at dad?
I have been making it, and I hope that
Talk
I
to
make
them.
you proud. Okay. Mommy and Daddy, alam ko na araw-araw niyo nakikita niyo ko. Alam ko na hindi ako perpektong anak all the time, but I try my best. And I hope I make you proud. Lahat ng ginagawa ko ngayon ay para sa inyo, para sa ama, at para kay mama. I dedicate everything to them.
Oh. You're very independent. May nagsabi sa akin, you take care of your home, you drive for yourself, you even take care of your taxes, you're independent.
Yes, Tito.
Wala pa bang pagkakataon na dumepende ka sa kahit sino?
Wala po.
Independence demands courage and strength. Kailangan matapang, kailangan malakas ka para maging independent. Kailan ka nang hihina?
Araw-araw, Tito Boy.
At pag nanghihina ka, anong ginagawa mo? Kanino ka humuhugot ng lakas?
Sa ama. I pray, Tito Boy.
And that prayer sounds like,
I ask for strength. Sinasabi ko na, Ama, meron po akong problema. Meron po tayong problema. Every time I address struggles, Tito Boy, I don't address it as my own struggle. I address it as a struggle that I will go through with Him.
okay.
Because I know that He will be holding my hand and He has my back. At hindi niya ako dadalhin sa paghihirap na ito kung hindi ko kakayanin. proven and tested po yan, Tito Boy.
I get it. Pareho kayo ni Ruro, alam ko, are connected to him up there. Okay.